In this tutorial, we'll start an Advanced Limit Order Strategy, or ALO, in the Volven terminal. First, we will go to the Ticker module and click Buy or Sell to initiate a strategy. A dialog window will appear, and we can select the ALO strategy from the top bar. Let's choose the order size by typing into the cell or adjusting the slider. Next, two mandatory settings must be selected: Price Limit and Take Profit. Price Limit sets the price when to open the position, and Take Profit specifies simply at what price the strategy should exit the position. Additionally, you can include more settings, such as Stop Loss Trigger to mitigate downside risk, and flag the order with Always Passive. This flag guarantees you to place the order in the order book rather than execute the trades immediately.